So Nottingham College is part of several mergers. So at the moment, Nottingham College is one of the largest FE college in the sector around. We have about 8 to 10 campuses where we have about 25,000 plus students. And to look after them, we have about 1,700 staff. So all in all, you're looking at about 30,000 plus end users. With the wide amount of students and staff we have, how important it is to have the right kind of communication between them. So our mission statement is we unlock potential through learning. And to enable that for that many end users, you need to really rely on your digital technology. Whatever we do, we need to do digital first. And that could be how we get everyone inclusive, how we do the communication, how we make sure everyone's getting the right information at the right time and quickly.
We have 9 campuses across the city, so having a single managed solution for all of those campuses is very important because we don't have time to go around single digital signage screens to update them with a USB stick.
What we wanted was something which is robust, something which is standardized, which we can roll across and which we can control from the back end and integrate, and we don't have to visit the buildings to get the content up and running.
We know the Uniguest system and the Campus Hub CMS is a very capable system and has a lot of opportunities to do a variety of things. So dynamic content, split screen content. You can obviously zone different layouts, so you don't have to take up a whole screen of content. You can literally zone specific parts of a signage screen to have different information. A lot of our signage is using sort of dynamic data, and having that kind of mix and blend kind of keeps students and staff, we do have varied content with students and staff as well, to be able to kind of keep up to date with the college, but also keep up to date with the city, basically like a rolling news feed essentially that's always up to date, always dynamic.
Uniguest aligned with our strategy of harnessing the digital technology in everything we do. And not only that, when we looked at the roadmap of Uniguest, there was a good roadmap of the journey they are on, and we wanted to be part of that as well. Now it's come to a place where people have understood the advantage of having such an important communication screen, and now they come to us to say, look, hey, we think this is your next potential place, which is great to have the community involved back with you. It has joined the community together. I mean, I'll use the word community as a college because we are such a large college.
The fact that we get a lot of requests would suggest that people are taking notice. It is, I think, a channel that has become more and more sort of part of our communication strategy.
Right from the go start, they have been very engaging. There was never a moment to say, look, I think it's not doable. They will always consider looking in the back end of it or put in the roadmap to say how they can provide us a solution if there is something specific need we have. It's been a good relationship.